Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really quick video on how to apply lashes. These will work for any type of lashes really that you have. So I know a lot of people are like, I can get the lashes on but I can't get them to stay, or they're like they irritate the inside right there, and that's the problem that I had. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly put on lashes. I'm going to explain everything and all that. So let's get started. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today are my lashes. My nail broke. They're my lashes that I sell. I call them Slayed lashes because if you don't know, my Instagram is @Slayed by Tamia. So these are going to be lashes that I sell. I will list the link to these lashes below on Amazon so you guys can go over and purchase. So first I'm just going to show you the different styles I have. So this is my favorite style. This is the style that I'm going to be putting on today, and I name them. So this style is called Glamour Girl, and as you can see, you get 5 in a pack. These are reusable. I will show you guys how I take these off as well. So these are Glamour Girl. As you can see, they're really nice. 5 in a pack, really good. These are the second pair that I have. Now I have the name on here Classy, but these I renamed them on Amazon as Boss Lady because these give me like you can wear them to work. Like if you want a little glam for work but you don't want to be too dramatic, these are what you're going to want to get. And then I have, alright, and so these are my next pair. These are called Sassy, and these are more like a they're in between dramatic and like chill professional. So that's why I named these Sassy, but they look like this. As you can see, they are long. So now that I got that out the way, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the lashes or any lashes that you have. So these are the lashes, like I just said. These are mine. These are my pair, so I've just cut the top off or whatever. So these are how they look. What you want to do first is just get some tweezers and pull them off like this. Just like that. And so as you can see on the end, I always notice like when I put on eyelashes, like they get like it sticks me right there, and I don't like it. And it's not even just with these lashes, it's with any lashes. So this is how I figured out how to get them to work and lay way better. So you got the lash like this. What you want to do is cut the tip of each side of the lash. So you're going to cut right there and right there, because as you can see, that's sticking out right there. So just go ahead and cut just like that. And also, if you have smaller shaped eyes like myself, you can cut a little bit more. It's not gonna hurt anything. Just like that. Just like that. So now you see how it looks. And you're gonna do the exact same thing to the next one. I'm just gonna do this one real quick, real quick. So once you have your lashes cut like this, what I like to do is I use hair glue, because the reason I use hair glue is I have hair on my, like your lashes are hair, and this is made for hair, so it's easy to get off, it's easy to put on. I always put some glue on the back. With a Q-tip. It's way easier to use like a Q-tip. So this is how I see the glue on it, and you want to make sure that you got enough glue on the ends of each lash as well as in the middle. And then I'm going to lay it like this. I'm going to lay it down like that on my little table right here. and let that dry. Well, it's going to start to dry, but it's not going to get completely dry. You just want it to get tacky. What I like to do is go in with a top liner. And if you don't know how to do top liner, that's fine. You could just add the lashes after this. But I'm going to go in with a top liner because it conceals the band really good. So once you have that, oh, and also what you want to do is add some mascara to your own eyelashes, because especially if you put makeup on before, your eyelashes will be the color of your eyeshadow like mine are now. And you just want to put a little bit of that on. Alright, so I'm going to use tweezers, and I'm just blowing it just to help it get a little tacky. And then I'm going to look down like this, go in, and as you can see, I'm putting the shorter side in the inside, toward the inside of my eye. And then once you get them on, you can look up and just slightly push them in. Alright. Alright, and so tweezers like this. And I recommend you put the tweezers in the middle of the lash and like this, and then just, and like I said, you want to make sure that you have glue and so just take your tweezers and gently just, alright, so then you just want to let it dry. Let your lashes dry. And what I do is, while mine dry, I just look at them to make sure everything is on right. But just let it dry. So I've been wearing lashes about probably 8 or 9 months. Nah, probably like a year now. And so some common issues that I have is like when I put on the lash, it won't stick. So if you have a lash that will not stick, that, and you're using hair glue, I've never used anything other than hair glue, but if you have something that's not sticking and you're using hair glue, what you want to do is take it off, clean the hair glue off. Once hair glue gets dry, like, it's really easy to just rub it off. So you can just rub it off with your hand, and make sure your hands are clean too. Just rub it off with your hand, reapply the glue. This time, don't let it sit as long as you let it sit last time. So as you can see, sometimes I put the glue on and blow it like, and then put the lash on. and it should go ahead and work for you. But you got to make sure that the lash is coated good with hair glue or whatever glue you're using. You got to make sure that it's coated really, really good. When you do it like this and you cut the like ends off, you don't have any irritation, because that was my problem. Like with any lash that I've ever purchased, like I was like, why is it not sticking right here? Like, why does it keep poking me? And that's because the lash was too long. So I just cut it to the size that I wanted. So if your eyes are longer, then you may not have to cut it. But if you have shorter eyes like me, then you may have to. So now what I'm doing is just checking to make sure everything is dry. And I'm going to add mascara. You don't have to add mascara. If you like the look you have once you put on the lashes, then you don't have to add mascara. I add mascara because it's just like, it just gives it like a little more oomph, and I'm dramatic, so. And so, as you can see, with mascara, without mascara, I'm a mascara type of girl. I am. I'm a mascara type of girl. So, I'm just gonna add some mascara to the other one, but you don't have to. But especially with 3D lashes, these are 3D. So with 3D lashes, if you want to add some, what is this? Mascara, then you'll be able to see all the layers better. And it's just like intensifies the look. And I'm go big or go home, but I do understand that a lot of people don't like dramatic lashes, and that's perfectly fine. So even if you get like a pair that's not as dramatic as these, like for instance, if you get the Sassy, or if you get like Boss Lady, more than likely if you get Boss Lady, you like a more subtle look, but you can still add mascara to it too, and it will just intensify your glam. Like, it'll just give it a little more oomph, you know what I'm saying? So once again, these are my lashes, Sassy. And Sassy is like an in-between. If you don't like your lashes like super dramatic like these, or you don't like your lashes, you know, super calm, this is like a in-between. And then this is Boss Lady. I'm gonna cover that because it was Classy, but then I just named it Boss Lady. So these are Boss Ladies. They're all 3D. They're all longer. If you don't want them this long too, you can cut the lashes. And when I say cut the lashes, like actually cut the right here to make them whatever size you want. But out of all of them, these are the shortest. And then of course these are in the middle, and these are the long ones. And then these are Glamour Girl. So these are the lashes that I have on now, and I love them. Alright, so I'll be back tonight to show you guys how I take these lashes off. And yeah, okay y'all, so I'm going to show you guys how to remove the lashes. What you're going to want to do is get you a rag that's hot, and well, hot to warm. Don't burn yourself. I mean, that's common sense. But you want to get you a warm rag, and you're just going to place it over your lashes. The steam from the rag is going to loosen up your lashes, and you're just going to be able to pull them off. So I'm going to show you. Let me go get my rag. Alright, y'all. So I have my rag, and it's hot. First of all, it's on there really tight, so So I counted to 20. This one needs a little more time, so. Alright, so now what you want to do is put both your lashes on this warm rag and just press them in so that the lash can get warm. And this is how you can do your lashes to reuse them. So now what you want to do, as you can see here, I got glue on the lashes. So take your tweezers and peel off the glue. And look. It'll come right off. But you want to make sure your lash is warm so that it just peels right off for you. So now let me do the other one. Because if you try to pull the glue off with, got the lash right here, with it not being like a little warm, then you might mess up your lash. So that's why you want to make sure that it's a little. And also, if you want to, you can soak this in hot water and it'll come right off too. You'll be able to pull it right off too. So now both of these lashes are clean of glue and they're ready to be put back on tomorrow. So what I just do is just literally stick them back where they were. So that's how I apply my lashes, remove my lashes, and clean them to reuse them. Now I would say you could reuse each lash as many times as you can, as long as you keep cleaning them, getting the old glue off. You don't want to put new glue on top of old glue because it's not gonna hold. So just make sure that you pull that old glue off and you should be fine, girl. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. The link to these lashes will be below. Go ahead and place your order. They're coming from me, and I'll send them out to you. I have different styles, so choose what style works best for you, and I'll talk to you later.